Standard, your fourth lesson of computer, list and table handling in HTML. We all know for every preparation we require to make a list. That list and that table of handling in HTML, in computer language, how to handle. List handling. While presenting information, sometimes we need to list different individual entries. Instead of writing such entries, it continues as paragraph form. Yes, whenever we have to list anything, we require to prepare a table. For example, if we have students in our class, 10 students in our class, every day we takes their presentee, absentee in a table form. To handle that table form in HTML, how to handle it is shown in this lesson. You can see items to be purchased. This is list for purchasing item. First is chocolate, notebook, practice book, ball pen, markers. This is list. Whenever we go to market, we form a list that we can remember. We won't forget anything to get purchased. For example, we will be giving example for this list form is best example is Corona. Now Corona warriors and Corona situation is going on. For that, what we want at home, we make that list. In that first came the sanitizer, gloves, these all precautions. This list is formed. This is called list and this is called table formation. There are three basic types of HTML lists. These types are unordered list, ordered list and descriptive list. All types are discussed in forthcoming section of the chapter. First is unordered list. An unordered list contains item along with a symbol. This symbol is also called a bullet. When we form a list, we give it mark. Like for that for exams important we take stars. Same in HTML, to take the list we use bulletins. Bulletins are the dots or any shape, square, dot we can use. Why it is called unordered list? Because we didn't order till now. That is called unordered list. And how to prepare unordered list is, in tag we have to write opening tag, UL, closing tag. And entire list we will form with bulletins, and then we will write again opening tag, UL, closing tag and closing sign. You can see this is your closing sign. This is your closing sign. This tag paragraph is used. The items of the list are enclosed within the closing sign only. Changing bulletins. First is the default bulletins, and second we can customize the bulletin. The default shape of bulletin is filled circle. Full circle is filled. If you want to change the bulletin, you can use attribute called type. In type bulletin attribute, we can change the bulletins. The types can be circle, square, disc. I told you first only. Your bulletin shapes you can decide. This for changing bulletin, UL, that is unordered list. Opening tag, UL, unordered list. Then type is equal to whatever you are writing. Square, then your bulletin will be in square. Circle, your bulletin will be in circle. Disk, your bulletin will be in disk. In computer, HTML gives you many options. In every software, there are many options. Same as in HTML list table or making also. First we have view. If you want to change our bulletins, we can change, or else list without bulletins. We can use our list without bulletins also. For that, description will be tag, opening tag, DL, and then closing tag. Opening tag, again closing sign and DL. DL is an abbreviated from form of the word description list. Abbreviated word है within description list. We need to define description terms using DL and DT. These two terms are used, DL and DT. DL is for not using bulletins and DT for not using bulletins on the items. Understand? DL will be starting that we are not using bulletins. Then DT will be items starting, means not using bulletins on the items.